Good day. Today I will demonstrate to you the CRUD operations. So as you can see, here is the front page of what I created, which is the page which we create or we enter the record or the data of the customer. As you can see here, I use the electric bill uh, record or uh, the electricity that being used uh, by the customer. So let's get started. The first operation that we will be using is um, the create, create, which is let's try. And here we will enter the name of the customer. Let's we say Michael Teresa, and then the kilowatts that they use, electricity. Let me say 250, and the amount to pay is 2,500. And then the date for the date is the month what she what he or she would pay in February, February 14, 2022. And let's create it. As you can see, here the message successfully inserted or successfully recorded to the uh, database of our uh, system. So as you can see here, if click or we click here the button of read, we will view the other records or the record that we are creating already created. And let's try it. As you can see here, when we click the read button, which is the data will be displayed, the created data that we inserted is being displayed here on the second page of our CRUD operation. So as you can see here, there's are the other button, which is update and delete. So as you can see here, there's a lot of I already inserted uh, several data for the customer record. So let's try to update uh, some of the data or the records that we being used. If we say update, we will update the data or the records of the customer. So let's try it. So as you can see here, uh, during the update operation, we will the original details of the customer is already here. All we need to do is to, if there is something changes or something to be changed to the details or to the record of the customer, we can change it. And let's try it. And you can see here 45.53 is the last record. So let's say 450.50, and then the amount to pay is 4,600. And let's edit the date. Let me say 20, and it is gonna be December. So as we finish at what we want to change or to update, to edit, let's just to click the update button. And you can see here on the display record or the read record operation, as you can see here, the customer record that we already edited is here, Rose Ann Ramos, which is here. As you can see, it's become December. The 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 details of her record is being updated, and if we want to delete or something that the customer already uh, uh, pay the bill, and we want to erase it, we want to delete it, let's just hit the delete button. So let's uh, use the delete operation, which is, as you can see here, the name of Roseanne Ramos is being deleted. So as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 late the the details, or the customer is being uh, the name of Roseanne Ramos is being deleted on the record. So let's try to create other name again, so that we uh, you will see what if if the system is already functioning it well. So let's try to create other name or other record for the customer, Maricel Rogelio, and then the she consume, or the kilowatts use is, let's say, 21.70, and the amount that she will pay is 22 220, and then the date should be November 25, 2022, and let's hit the create button, which is the create operation, and then that's we see here the message successful inserted, which is means that the the customer record is being inserted, and let's view it or read it if it is here in our uh, display data record. As you can see here, it is Marisol Rogelio, and the kilowatts used, and then the amount, and then the date, and then as you can see, the entities that we have here is increasing. It's 7, and and what the other features that I added to it is, if there's a lot of customer record and we want to see specific um, customer record data, let's search it by searching the name of the customer. Let's see, Evelyn. As you can see here, there's Evelyn here, and then if we want to update it, let's click the button of update, and then let's try to change his last name, Evelyn Moreno. Let's change it to Moreno. Okay, and then the the kilowatts consumed is we will change to 560, and the amount to pay is 5,600, and then the date is let me say January 14, 2022. Okay, and let's update it. And as you can see here, the name Evelyn Nano is being changed to Evelyn Moreno, and the kilowatts consumed is being changed to 560, and the amount to pay is 5,600, and the date of the date to pay is being updated also. So, and if we want to, we can also use the search button to delete, to use the actions, the delete operation at we Michael. Okay, as you can see here, we have here the Michael, and then if we want to delete it, just um, hit the bottom for delete, and then here it is. The entities that we have here is being decreases, which is it become 6. So that's it. CRUD is just meaning of create, read, update, and delete. And I hope that I demonstrate it to you, and you have learned something from what is CRUD operations. Remember, CRUD operations stand for create, read, update, and delete. And as you can see here, we have here the create button. Let's try again for the last time. Let's create again. Michelle Reyes. Okay, kilowatts consumed 140.75, and then the amount to pay is for 250 point 250.50 as we wish to. And then October October 14, 2022, and as we hit the button, the create operation will be being uh, used, which is here the message successful inserted, and the R is stands for the read, which is we will read the created record of the customer. Let's read, and you can see here we have here we read, or the record of the customer is being displayed when we hit the the read button. And then if we, and the other operation is update. Let's update here. Let's update some of the customer record or details. Let's update here, and it is being displayed here. And if we want to change the whole name, let's create Rose Marie Riquental and then let's change also here 122, and then 1300 1230. Let's change the whole thing also in the date. So September 23, 2022, and if we hit the update button, we will the the details is being updated here. And then if we want to delete something, the last one for CRUD operation, which is delete, just hit the the delete button, so that the record is being deleted to the uh, uh, record. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and I hope that I demonstrate it very well. And thank you for watching. God bless us all.